In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by selecting Messages app and creating or picking one of your chats. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos to add them. If you can't find them, select Gallery. Look for them here and click on the chosen ones. This time though, select Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, tap on Gallery. Select Folders and hold one of your photos over here, or look for it in one of those apps by tapping on Images at the top, or selecting those three lines at the top left corner and clicking on one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!